Hello. In this video we will bring to our attention a clean openwork knit inspired by a Brunello Cucinelli pattern. I collect such knits in a separate playlist, which you can see at this link. The scheme consists of 7 loops and 2 rows. 3 loops are in the openwork and 4 are in the solid part. My sample contains a multiple of 7 loops plus 2 extra loop for symmetry. Let's get started from the right side. Row 1 is on the right side, after 2 edge stitches. The repeat pattern is knit 2, knit 2 together with a tilt to the left, yarn over, purl 1, yarn over, knit 2 together with a tilt to the right, again, knit 2, knit 2 together with a tilt to the left, yarn over, purl 1, yarn over, knit 2 together with a tilt to the right. At the end of the row, knit 2 loops for symmetry. Row 2 is on the wrong side, after 2 edge stitches, purl 2 off the report. The repeat pattern is purl 1, knit 3, purl 3, again, purl 1, knit 3, purl 3, This easy-to-work knit, because of its beautiful texture and because of its laconic appearance, will decorate any summer knitwear from your wardrobe. I highly recommend it. If you'd like to check out my knit creations and get them for yourself or as a gift, visit knitnotspace.com. I appreciate you all being here. If you enjoy the video, please click the like button. Subscribe to the channel and notifications to watch all of my videos. I wish you inspiration. Knit joyfully and with affection. See you soon.